Hi dolls! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm not planning to unbox this talaga sana, but I got curious. Kasi nung in-order ko to, and I did mention sa previous na video ko na naka-order na ako, hindi ko napansin until I received the email that it's on its way na merong freebie. And it says, surprise 5/5 super sale freebie. Oh! So, na-curious ako. Masusurprise nga ba ako sa freebie na to? So, sabi ko, okay, why not capture the moment, diba? So, yun. Let's see if masusurprise talaga ako sa freebie na to. Na-curious lang din ako. Hindi ko talaga sana siya i-unbox, but here we are. Ito siya. Ang laki. Hindi ko inasahan kasi umorder ako ng malaking item, but not this big. Oh! Hindi ganito kalaki yung in-order ko. So, nagulat ako. Another reason kung bakit bigla ko naisipan na, why not i-unbox ka natin? Mukhang mas-surprise nga ako. So, yun. Excited ako doon. Let's see if mas-surprise nga ako. Or hindi. So, let's find out. Ang laki niya. Nagulat ako as in. Although, medyo magaan siya. So, dun naman ako sa part na yun na unsure kung masusurprise ba talaga ako. Kasi nga, malaki lang siya pero magaan. Oh, no! Okay, so, like the other one, it has Love, BeautyMNL, Caution, may Cause Delight. Let's see, tapos may UP. Sana hindi na-damage yung product ko. Sana hindi talaga na-damage. Kaya medyo kinakabahan din talaga ako eh. Okay, let's go. Let's open it up. Okay. Just like the last one, they have this cute, and it says, when was the last time you surprised yourself? Comment down below. Comment nyo guys, when was the last time you surprised yourself? Ako, when was the last time I surprised myself? Can't recall. Maybe I should do that more often, no? Do something that surprises me. So, we will get to that. Let's see. So, kahit may UP siya, medyo hindi ako sobrang worried. Just a little. Kasi nga, they have this shredded paper serving as a cushion for your product. So, let's dig in. Ito talaga yung unbox ko. Hindi ko talaga sana i-film to as unboxing. Kasi ito talaga yung i-unbox ko. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nakakakilig. It's finally here. So, ito talaga yung unbox ko. I-unbox ko soon. Abangan ninyo. This is a quick spoiler. Ano ba yan? Kinikilig ako. Ito na siya. So, let's get to the other items. Hindi pala ako masusurprise. Parang ano lang. Parang normal lang. Kasi, aside from that, may isa pa akong in-order. Aside from the palette na binili ko, I also ordered this. Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Eye Cream EX. So, yan. Bumili na ako to complement yung itatry ko nga na set from Innisfree. It's just that hindi pa ako gumagamit ng eye cream even before. So, yun nga, I'm starting to take my skincare routine a little more seriously than I did before. So, ito talagang medyo nag-i-invest na ako ng konti. And I think ito yung kung ma-achieve yung gusto kong effect for my eyes. Although I don't have wrinkles yet, as per my good friend Lay, wag tayong mag-antay. Wag ka tayong mag-antay na magkaroon ka ng wrinkles because prevention is better than cure. Okay, so yan, while wala pa, and I'm at my early 30s, so while wala ka pang nakikita, nako, push mo na, alagaan mo na. Ayan, so ito, to complement the set that I've purchased, and feeling ko, since anti-aging to, baka mag-stick din ako dito, but let's see, we'll never know. Pero yun, ito na siya. And then, inside is this. Ooh. Ang sosyal ng lalagyan. Level up from the set. Mga pinagbibili kong set. Pero hindi ko na muna siya bubuksan kapag gagamitin ko na talaga yung actual set kasi inuubos ko pa nga yung green tea. In fairness, yung konti na yun, siguro baka 2 use ko pa siya before ko talaga maubos. Kasi nagamit ko na ilang days na yung nag-pass since yung video. So, ayun, in fairness, may nagagamit pa rin ako until now. So, talagang bubuksan ko to kapag gagamitin ko na yung entire set. Ayan, yun lang yun nandun sa box. And then, ito na yung surprise. Oh, no! Yuzu Fresh Organic. Yuzu Natural Plant Extract Face Absorbent Paper. 80 sheets. Pang oil blot. Hindi naman ako na surprise. BeautyMNL. Pero okay, thank you for the freebie. Syempre, thankful tayo. We have to be grateful. Thank you for the freebie. Ayan, ito siya. Baka naman good find pala to, no? Hindi ko lang alam. Okay, wala siyang amoy. Tapos, yung itsura niya ganyan. Oh, you will pull it out. So, hindi exposed yung product, diba? Para siyang tissue paper. Oh, so, hindi exposed yung product. You'll get one at a time. That's cool. Diba? Tapos, madali siyang kuhain. Diba? Kasi yung, huli kong gamit, or madalas na itsura, yung meron siyang pandikit dito, kasi gaganon mo. Tapos yun, expose na yung next. So, fairness. This might really be a good find. So, let's see. Let's try it some other time, because I'm not that oily yet. Oh! Yeah. So, thank you for the freebie. And I'm really excited for this. Pero I'll save the unboxing for this on another video. So yun, very cute na haul lang. Thank you for watching, guys. And again, I'm not super surprised, but I'm thankful. I'm thankful for the freebie. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, dolls!